Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I need to do some stocking up, so I am going to be going to my favorite store. You know where I'm going. I'm going to Winco. It's going to be a double Carter. Woohoo! What a great price on English cucumbers. I'm loving it. So much food to put in the car. I can't wait to show you. Welcome to the largest shopping haul, grocery haul that I've done in a very long time. So I'll tell you right now, this is $317, plus it stretches onto my dining table. So I think instead of showing everything one at a time, I'm just gonna show it to you since I have it nicely displayed. So I can't wait to show you. It was so easy and fast to go with my oldest son, and so we had 2 carts, and I would tell him to go get something. He would load up, come back to me, and literally took like half of the time. So I'm so happy to show you, and let's get started. Okay, just to start off, I had to get a lot of papers and plastic items. Okay, so I wanted to show you one of our favorite things. I had to buy some more of these. This is some oil of Olay, and I used to buy the face wash, which was like $5 a container, and this literally smells the same as the other one. So bars of soaps it is, and I love it. So we have some freezer things here. These are for Ezzy. He likes those waffles. The guilty pleasures right there. I like having those in the freezer. And we always need more butter. This time I got some smoked sausage just because I have a recipe that's coming up. Let me know if you get those sausages as well. I got some yogurts. I got those ones for the kids and those ones for the bigger kids and myself and Paul. I got some garlic Texas toast. I thought I had 2 of those. These will be great for casseroles or just having them with some hamburgers. I did get a lot of ice cream, 4 containers. So Paul is really, he likes vanillas and cookies and cream. I'm about the chocolate, but I don't eat a lot of ice cream. And then because Isaiah came with me, he wanted to try the birthday cake. So we have some veggies. I got some peas and some corn. The peas is for an upcoming recipe. Okay, so I got some more of these beef patties. These were so good the last couple of times I used them. So I only use half of the container. See, it says 12. So half one dinner and then half another week. And they are so good, easy to do on my skillet grill. I love it. I have a couple more of these emergency pizzas. They do come in handy for sure. I got some more. Last time I went to Winco, they did not have this Rhodes Ranch bread loaves. Now this bread is so awesome to have. So not only can I just make bread with it, which sometimes I do, I'll make pizza with this or Navajo tacos, which is just, I'll cut each loaf into about 6 pieces or 5 pieces and then roll it out and fry it in hot oil. So then you put all your taco ingredients on top of the fry bread. So good. I got some Kraft singles. Those will go perfect with the burgers or just making grilled cheeses. I prefer medium cheddar, and I really like their deli sliced ones. They're nice and thick. So I showed you that I got these Hot House or English cucumbers, and finally I got the Nathan's, the Nathan's bun length. Those are our favorite for sure. We got some baby carrots, good for snacking. I got some corn muffin mix, which I can make some tamale pie with that. So I have some ideas. Isaiah wanted to get some of these biscuits so he can do the breakfast biscuits, which he just peels apart, puts them in a muffin tin, and mixes some cooked bacon or sausage with some eggs and cheese, and then bakes them for about 15 minutes. And then he has go-to breakfast. And most of the boys like them. So here are some chopped salads, or sometimes Tina calls these those lazy salads. Those are is when I need to put together a meal. So I really like this sunflower crunch one. Has a lot of ingredients. And then the Ultimate Caesar will be great for when we have some pasta or something Italian. Here's those buns. So I got 12. So half will go in the freezer, and then I'll just keep half in the bag. And so I'll just make them soon. They're hot dog buns. I did get a half of a gallon of milk. And I've had some great suggestions about freezing milk. Let me know if you freeze your milk and if it tastes different when you thaw it out. I got this yellow rice. I don't normally buy rice already like processed, but this goes to a recipe that I've already done, the cheesy chicken and I think it's called cheesy chicken and rice, and it has corn and it's so good. The kids love it, and it's cooked in the crock pot. So you can just look in my video search and look up cheesy chicken. It is delicious. Here's some powdered sugar and some brown sugar, which I was running low on, and some chocolate chips. I'm sure those are all for recipes. In fact, I know they are. I needed some more eggs just because I love having a couple of eggs with some tortillas in the morning, or maybe a piece of toast. Picked up some pastas for recipes and the plethora of kids snacks over here. So I stuck with the store brand just because I felt like they were cheaper. And I don't think the kids are that picky about the crackers and the cookies. These ones are a lot like the Girl Scout cookies. If you haven't had any of these, they are delicious. So I bet your local store has a comparable version to them. I did get some graham crackers, and those are for my classroom primarily. Got some more of those halos. The kids like those. Plus, sometimes I drop one in the garbage disposal. I usually drop one in there when the kids are done eating them and they've kind of looked a little too ripe. This is my favorite mayonnaise. I love the safflower one. It's called Saffola, but it's safflower. And it tastes like it has a hint of a tang. It's not like Miracle Whip, and it's not like regular mayonnaise. It just has a little bit of something there. It's really good. I got some more nacho cheese sauce just to keep on hand, because it's pretty easy for us to just run to the store and pick up some chips if we have friends coming over. Plus, I was really loving the queso chicken rice casserole. That was so good. So maybe I'll do that again. I just picked up some lemonade, strawberry lemonade and regular. And I love me some tuna. Oops, some cans are dropping down all over here. So I'm going to tell upside down. That's the fancy tuna, right, guys? When it's upside down. I just get one because I'm the only one in my family that likes tuna sandwiches. So I'll make that up for lunches. Oh, I forgot to show you these chocolate Oreos. They were on a good sale. It was like under $3 for that family size one. So I thought that was a good price. Plus, when we first walked in, it was like an aisle of savings. So most of these cans came from there. Just kind of replenishing up our pantry a little bit. It is quite bare. I got some Prego. I have a couple recipes. One is a chicken parm. I believe it's a chicken parm casserole. It's one that I've made already. It's the one with the croutons. So I know a few of you have made that one. It is so good, right? So I thought I'd make it again. I haven't made it in a while. Isaiah picked up some of these Diet Hansen sodas. He really likes them. And of course I like gum. So I picked up just some more ketchup and some of this Caribbean jerk because I am making a recipe. And then just some tortillas. I got these little street flour ones because I thought they would be really good for Ezra for lunches to make some quesadillas. Look, I'm coming around this way too because I had so much stuff. So let me show you what I got here. I got some cooked shrimp. Oh, it's cooked. That's funny. Maybe I should have gotten the other one, but that's okay because I am using that for a recipe. And I thought I'd get these crunchy shrimps. Now, I'm a fan of shrimp. I like shrimp. My family does not. But my oldest son is going on the East Coast to a church mission. and thought he should start trying some of these and maybe he'll get a liking for them. So that's why I got the fried shrimp, right guys? That's kind of like the easy way to transition into like seafood, right? If it's fried. I got some orange chicken. These are great for the freezer go-to meals when I need them. Some bacon. We'll do those for breakfast biscuits, and I have a recipe coming up. I can't wait. So Winco has a wonderful selection of meat. They have aisles and aisles, which is kind of nice to choose from. I have this upside down, but you can see it's called carnitas, and they are flavored already with the carne asada kind of pollo adobo. That it's so good. So I love when I can find the meat already seasoned. I can just throw that in the crock pot and just make some tacos. So this is kind of the same thing. It's kind of a flat steak. That's what's used for carne asada. Sometimes I make it as a milanesa steak, which is like a fried, like a skirt steak, kind of like a chicken fried steak. So good. Just got some more grandma sycamore. And then I have 2 bags of chicken breast because I do want this haul to last a long time, at least more than 2 weeks. That's my goal. 10 pounds of potatoes, which I can fry those with a meal or I can make mashed potatoes. I've been really wanting to make some shepherd's pie, so I'll be getting that going. I got some pretzels for lunches and some potato chips for lunches or snacks. My kids eat a lot of snacks, so I need to be prepared. Oh, I love this barbecue chicken teriyaki. It is so good. And when I cook it, I like to cook in with it vegetables. So like some broccoli or zucchini and some carrots and all that good stuff. And then I just serve it over rice and it already has all the sauce. It's awesome. I saw these little Gardettos at the store. They were just $1 each. And you know these are like a good $3 usually when you buy them at the store. So look at, it has only the rye ones. I love those. I usually pick them out of here. So I don't eat them a lot, but, oh, I got these too. Mostly for convenience when I'm having this, I need a treat or a snack or even part of a meal when I'm working. I thought that would be good. Here are the croutons. One of them I'm going to use for the chicken parm made in the oven. I got some deli meat, some bananas. Oh, these are my favorite. Honey Crisp apples, and they were on a good price, so that's why I got that many. They tend to be a little pricey. Do you guys have a favorite apple? I also purchased some cocoa, some baking cocoa. I love their open bins at Winco. They're nice to have to fill up on some of your the products that you don't want to buy a bunch of. So you just buy what you need. Some lettuce. Oh, I got some mangoes. Or what does Danny call them? Mongos? Mongos? Cracks me up. I have some Roma tomatoes. Just some bell peppers for some recipes. And of course, can't forget Parmesan cheese. I love that. And it's going to be great with some recipes. I forgot one more thing to show you. We got these because I knew Ezra would love them. So perfect for St. Patrick's Day. And it was under $2. So I'm so glad that I got that because I know they'll eat them as snacks usually. I just love showing you all of this. You know what makes me really happy though? I'm going to show you right now. This is what makes me so happy. Just coming back from the groceries and putting away the things and just feeling like my family is going to be good for a couple weeks. Fingers crossed. Now I need to go unpack the other groceries, and that's not my favorite thing. But I'm grateful to do it. Let me know in the comments if you have a separate freezer, maybe one in your garage or maybe one in your, like a special designated area in your home that you fill up. Mine is a lifesaver, really. I can't wait to show you in the future some upcoming recipes that are gonna be so good. I can't wait to show you. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. Give this video a thumbs up and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.